So good evening. In this video, we are going to discuss about some special types of fits. Okay. So and also the difference between allowance and clearance. So those things we are going to discuss about in this type of in this PPT. So first we are going to discuss about some of the slide fit. Suppose the gap, it will be exist very small gap between whole and software system is, that is the slide fit. Okay, so the almost the clearance will be zero. Also we can say it as a slide fit. Okay, and also uh, this type of slide fit example is the tailstock spindle of lathe. Okay, and feed movement spindle coil and drilling. So in the tailstock spindle, so according to the sizes we can move the tailstock spindle, no, so easily, while without forcing, by hand only you can move it. Okay, those type of fit you can say it as a slide fit. Then comes into the driving fit. So in the driving fit, the shaft little bit larger than the whole system, that is called it as driving fit. Okay, so this is comes under the interference type of fit, which on driving fit it comes under the interference fit. And also this will be employed in the fixed position or relative motion each other. Suppose like pole and software, it is going to rotate, so those kind of area it can be used over here. Then comes into the special type of fit. Another special type of fit is the push fit or snug fit. So this type of fit is also called it as a close fit. Okay, so it will be provide some small clearance. Here it require some hand push is required to assemble the shaft and pole system. Okay, and comes into the next one is the force fit or pressed fit. So in the force fit or pressed fit means the matting part. Okay, so it requires some force. That means shaft diameter is more larger than the hole diameter. So it required while joining the hole and shaft, it required some force, some external force. Okay, so like with the help of hammer or some other force, if you are applying on the shaft, then only it's going to be join wire. It comes under the interference fit. So example for in this one is the forging machine. Forging machine. Okay, so it requires external energy to join the both pole and software. Then comes into the next one, selective fit or tight fit. Okay, so it provides less interference than the force fit. Okay, like so this also like tight fit only, but even on the small external force it required to assemble the both whole and shaft system. So it's also comes under the interference type of fit. So example for in this one is the cylindrical grinding machine. Then comes into the shrinkage fit. Okay, so mainly in this shrinkage fit, the it refers to the maximum negative allowance, and also the considerable force is necessary for the assembly. Okay, so here also some energy it will be required for to assemble the both whole and shaft system, and also it also comes under the interference fit. So once the interference fit means normally shaft diameter is more than the hole diameter. Okay, this is shrinkage fit. Then freeze fit. So freeze fit means, suppose if you are going to assemble both the hole and shaft pair, so those time the shaft we are going to make cooling. Okay, so due to the cooling, it may be contraction, it will be takes place. So the diameter, it will be small reduction, it will be takes place. After that, going to make the assembling. After assembling, what happens? The shaft, due to the atmospheric condition, it may be slightly larger, slightly increased one. Okay, so that is freeze fit. So this is also comes under the interference fit. So here also normally the shaft size will be more than the hole size. And example for in this one will be the valve seat insetting on the engine cylinder head. Then comes into the allowance. Allowance we discussed so many times, that is uh, the difference between the hole size and shaft size is called it as allowance. That means the shaft dimension is lesser than the hole dimension, that is called it as allowance. Okay, so usually it may be a positive or negative. The positive allowance is called clearance, the negative allowance is called it as interference. Okay, so already we discussed, that means the gap exists means that is the clearance positive allowance. Suppose the gap does not exist between hole and shaft, the shaft size is more than the hole size means that is the negative allowance. That example for in this one is the interference one, interference rate. Okay, so normally we are saying that the allowance means the gap exists between the hole and shaft, the system, that is called it as allowance. Okay, and then comes into the year, two types of allowance they will be providing. The gap exists between shaft and hole over here. Here the shaft size is more than the hole size, so this will be the negative allowance. Here the shaft allowance is less than the hole size, so this will be the positive allowance. Okay, the gap exists means that is the positive allowance, the gap not exist means that is the negative allowance. Okay, then comes into the comparison between the uh, the allowance and the tolerance. The tolerance means the difference between upper limit and lower limit is the tolerance. But the difference between the hole size and the shaft size, that means the lower limit of the hole as well as upper limit of the shaft is called it as this one. So usually here this is the lower limit of the hole, this is the upper limit of the shaft. The difference between these things is called it as shaft, but the difference between the upper limit of the shaft and lower limit of the shaft is tolerance. Upper limit of the hole, lower limit of the hole is tolerance. Okay, so this is the difference between allowance and tolerance. Then the thing is the permissible difference in the dimension is size of a part. Here the prescribed difference between the dimensions of two mating part. Okay, so the next one, it is the absolute value without sign. Allowance may be a positive or negative. Okay, so whatever the value they will be provided, that is the tolerance. Here it may be a positive or negative tolerance. That means shaft size will be more than the hole size, negative tolerance. Less shaft size is less than the hole size, that is the positive tolerance. Okay, so the next thing is the tolerance provided because operator is not possible to produce part exact size. So allowance is provided on mating parts to provide the desired type of fit. Tolerance, due to not possible to manufacture all the component in the exact basic size. Okay, so that the tolerance they will be providing, but the allowance provided on mating the parts provide the desired type of fit. Some of the component it required the close fit or tight fit, so that will be depends upon the power transmission or only the assembling. So according to that it may be going to change the allowances. Suppose some of the devices it may be rotating devices, so in those things it required some tight fit. Okay, so for that they are providing the allowance. So these are all the things will be compared difference between the allowance and tolerance one. Okay, so with that this will be get over. Thank you.